Spinach, banana smoothie. Blend 2 cups of spinach, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 scoop of protein powder for a delicious and nutritious smoothie. 2. Avocado, kale smoothie. Combine 1 avocado, 1 cup of kale, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey for a creamy and satisfying smoothie. 3. Pineapple, cucumber smoothie. Mix 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of cucumber, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for a refreshing and hydrating smoothie. 4. Berry, beet smoothie. Blend 1 cup of mixed berries, 1 beet, 1 cup of coconut milk, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds for a sweet and earthy smoothie. 5. Mango spinach smoothie. Combine 1 cup of mango, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder for a tropical and energizing smoothie. 6. Apple, celery smoothie. Mix 1 apple, 1 stalk of celery, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for a refreshing and detoxifying smoothie. 7. Peach, ginger smoothie. Blend 1 cup of peaches, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 cup of coconut milk, and 1 teaspoon of honey for a spicy and sweet smoothie. 8. Blueberry, almond smoothie. Combine 1 cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder for a creamy and fruity smoothie. 9. Cherry, spinach smoothie. Mix 1 cup of cherries, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey for a tart and nutritious smoothie. 10. Pineapple, mango smoothie. Blend 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of mango, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder for a sweet and tropical smoothie. 11. Orange, carrot smoothie. Combine 1 orange, 1 carrot, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric for a bright and immune-boosting smoothie. 12. Watermelon, basil smoothie. Mix 2 cups of watermelon, 1 tablespoon of fresh basil, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 teaspoon of honey for a refreshing and hydrating smoothie. 13. Raspberry, spinach smoothie. Blend 1 cup of raspberries, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of coconut milk, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder for a tangy and nutritious smoothie. 14. Mango, turmeric smoothie. Combine 1 cup of mango, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey for a sweet and anti-inflammatory smoothie. 15. Strawberry banana smoothie. Mix 1 cup of strawberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 scoop of protein powder for a classic and delicious smoothie. 16. Kiwi, cucumber smoothie. Blend 2 kiwis, 1 cup of cucumber, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for a refreshing and vitamin-rich smoothie. 17. Peach, raspberry smoothie. Combine 1 cup of peaches, 1 cup of raspberries, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey for a fruity and satisfying smoothie. 18. Apple spinach smoothie. Mix 1 apple, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for a sweet and nutritious smoothie. 19. Blueberry, banana smoothie. Blend 1 cup of blueberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 scoop of protein powder for a creamy and antioxidant-rich smoothie. 20. Mango, pineapple smoothie. Combine 1 cup of mango, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 tablespoon of honey for a tropical and refreshing smoothie.